To create a portfolio in CoinMarketCap, start by logging into your account on the CoinMarketCap website. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. Once logged in, click on the Portfolio tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the Portfolio dashboard where you can view and manage all of your cryptocurrency holdings. To add a new cryptocurrency to your portfolio, click on the Add Holdings button. You will then be prompted to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to add, the amount you own, and the price you paid for it. You can also choose to add the transaction date and any notes you want to include. After entering the required information, click the Add Holding button to add the cryptocurrency to your portfolio. You can repeat this process for each cryptocurrency you want to track. To edit or delete a holding, simply click on the three dots next to the holding and choose the Edit or Delete option. You can also use the Portfolio dashboard to view the total value of your portfolio, as well as the performance of each individual cryptocurrency. To get the most out of your portfolio, make sure to keep it up to date by regularly adding new holdings and updating the amounts and prices of your existing holdings. This will give you an accurate picture of your cryptocurrency investments and help you make informed decisions about your portfolio. Additionally, you can use the portfolio feature to set price alerts and receive notifications when the price of a particular cryptocurrency reaches a certain level. This can help you stay on top of market movements and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. By following these steps and using the portfolio feature on CoinMarketCap, you can easily track and manage your cryptocurrency investments in one place. This will help you stay organized and make the most of your investments.